So when we last spoke, I was in the campus of McGill University, and now I'm in Panama. I'm in the garden of the Smithsonian Tropical Research Institute. This is McGill's partner in Panama, and it's a perfect setting to explain to you the relationship between plants and atmospheric carbon dioxide concentration. So we're looking on the screen at the recent CO2 increment in the last 5 years in atmospheric CO2 concentration. This is shown by the black line that goes up from 385 parts per million to about a little less than 395. These data are recorded by the government of United States. Now, superimposed over the mean, you have this cyclical line in red that I find fascinating because really it represents what I call the breathing of the earth, or the seasonal effect of the vegetation in the temperate zone on CO2. When this red line goes down, it is summer in the northern hemisphere, and forests are pumping out carbon from the atmosphere. And when the line goes up, it's the fall in the northern hemisphere, and therefore the forest loses their ability to take up carbon dioxide. This little graph shows you why a plant biologist like me is fascinated by carbon dioxide because of photosynthesis. You're probably wondering if it's the temperate forest that imposes its signature on the atmospheric CO2 concentration. Why is it that it's interesting to work in the tropics? Well, it is because the tropics have the largest terrestrial carbon sink, and these are the tropical forests. Just look at this big tree near me. Half of its mass is carbon, and the tropical forest has a lot of those trees. The tropical forest is being cut down to sustain human livelihoods, and as this is happening, the carbon in the tree is burned and released in the atmosphere. Globally, we know that the tropical deforestation accounts for about 10% of global emission. The reason why we don't see the signature of the tropical forest on the increment at the seasonal level, it's because the tropical forests are mostly evergreen, so they photosynthesize all year round, which makes it very nice to be here in January.